Ever wondered how to fuel your workouts with plant-based power? Well, the answer might surprise you. It's not just about carbs and protein, but also about the quality of your food. Today, we're going to explore the top 5 vegan foods that can supercharge your workout routine, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey. First on the list, we have quinoa. This tiny, grain-like seed packs a powerful punch. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. It's also high in fiber, magnesium, and iron, essential nutrients to keep your energy levels high and your muscles working optimally. Next, we find the humble sweet potato. Don't let its sweet nature fool you. This vibrant tuber is a powerhouse of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy for your workouts. It's also a great source of vitamin C, which aids in muscle recovery. Thirdly, we have chia seeds. Small but mighty, these seeds are a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and speed up recovery. Plus, they're packed with fiber and protein, adding a nutritional punch to your pre- or post-workout meals. Coming in at number 4, we have spinach. This leafy green is a must-have for any fitness enthusiast. Spinach is high in iron, which is essential for delivering oxygen to your muscles during intense workouts. It's also a great source of calcium, crucial for bone health. Last but not least, we have the versatile chickpeas. Whether in a salad, hummus, or roasted for a crunchy snack, chickpeas are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and complex carbohydrates. They're also high in fiber and a variety of vitamins and minerals, supporting overall health and workout performance. To recap, the top 5 vegan foods to fuel your workouts are quinoa, sweet potato, chia seeds, spinach, and chickpeas. These foods provide a balance of complex carbohydrates, protein, and essential nutrients, helping you perform at your best and recover faster. So the next time you're prepping your workout meals, consider adding these plant-based powerhouses to your menu. Your body and your performance will thank you.